You tell them they're keeping the head of McClellan Enterprises waiting. Tell them.
All right.
14 weeks. You guys are almost 14 weeks old. Yes, you are, Shiloh. And you trying to suckle any chance you get.
You want to forget the whole thing?
Or you guys just being perverts? You're just being perverts, aren't you? You're just being perverts. Oh, come on. I know you don't have no damn fleas. I just got them all off last night.
Can I have one?
Well, I'm sure you got a couple on you, but we'll check you again tomorrow. You didn't have very much, Shiloh. Tango's the one that had a whole lot. I've been putting coconut oil on him, and that's really been working a lot because it makes you see the little black dots to pick them off and everything.
May I help you?
You guys are just being perverts. You're just being perverts, Shiloh. Aren't you?
I am Mr. Spirit.
Just being pervert.
I mean, for heaven's sake, if it's the only way, it's the only way.
Could I see a list of the boats that are running?
You wish.
It really is very important. Now we agreed on that.
I'm afraid that these are the only passenger carrying vessels we'll be putting for the next 30 days.
Felt like she's kind of drying up, but maybe not.
I understand the accommodations are required.
What about this one? The Lady Anne.
Oh, I don't think so.
Why not?
Well, for one thing, it's very near the old water.
God, Shiloh. You're really going at it. Let's watch Twilight Zone. Look at your ear. Oh my God, that looks funny. Goldie's just like, whatever. Yeah, whatever. You sound like some damn mouse. Shiloh. See, that's why you still greasy looking, because I got all that coconut oil on you. Well, Tango not getting in on the action. Tango, well, he's over there sleeping. Portrait of a honeymoon couple. Get ready to fly out on an airplane, but they don't like airplanes, so they're going to take a cruise instead. Saba, you're such a handsome boy. You're so handsome. Well, that didn't last long. Goldie, why'd you get up, baby? Well, all done. They all done. You say it wouldn't be up to us, it was up to Mommy. Say we would still be suckling, but Mommy got up.